Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's Friday night football for Big Spring High School. The cost of admission? Giving back.
Free admission if you bring a bag of supplies to help out someone else.
Over the last week, the Big Spring School District has collected truckloads of supplies from community members and organizations, helping neighbors they've never met.
We are helping the hurricane that happened in North Carolina.
Hurricane Helene robbed thousands of their livelihoods, putting life into perspective for those like Scott Anderson.
I'm fortunate enough. I can go home to my house. It's warm, it's dry. I can go to the fridge, I can open it up, there's food. I mean, I can go lay in my bed. There are people right now who are worrying, where are their loved ones? You know, where am I going to sleep tonight? You know, where's my life going to go?
A lesson he's helping impart to students like Emma Rice, who are celebrating their senior night.
My heart goes out to them because they don't have the opportunity to experience a football game right now or anything like that because they're just dealing with the disaster of what happened.
With more than a dozen community organizations teaming up and individual donors dropping supplies off, Rice says sharing the wealth doesn't have to break the bank.
We just had people that just donated one thing of Clorox wipes. Just that little thing, it goes a long way, and I don't think people realize that.
Which is why in a community that's not a dime a dozen,
people are people, they need our help, and so we want to step in to help whether we know them or not. And I think it's really great, and this is what I love about Newville.
making a difference is invaluable. Sydney Nauman, Fox 43 News.